Today we have a brand new 2023 Suburban RST with emergency lighting. Embedded in front of the Suburban, we installed 4 MOS 209s in red blue. In the front windshield is a MOS 81. In the rear windshield is a MOS 9800 6RB. The emergency lights are activated by a custom installed switch inside. We also flash the daytime running lights. The rear tail lights are flashing. The marker lights flash as well. In the glove box is a light bar direction controller. This controls the rear light bar's pattern. If you have a fleet in need of GPS tracking, emergency or auxiliary lighting, backup camera system, or a complete video recording surveillance system, be sure to contact Move It On and let us put 40 years of experience to work for you.